What's up? Welcome back to my channel, the number one place for entrepreneurs and business owners. Without further ado, let's get started. I'll be using my whiteboard again today, and here we go. The first thing you want to be doing to answer today's topic is to know who are you. Many times, agents and business owners are always thinking about their prospects' needs, their prospects want, without having to actually know who they are first. Because ultimately, we are in a people business. People buy people first. So relationship and trust are extremely important. But before knowing who is it that you want to attract, you need to be answering this question. Who are you? Do you know yourself really, really well? Every single time when we are on the plane, they will always have this announcement that if you want to be putting the oxygen mask, please put on it yourself first before helping others. So it's the same thing in this scenario. You need to be putting your own oxygen mask first. It's in this case knowing who you are first so that you can attract the right prospect to you. Again, because we're in a people business. So for instance, let's say you are a mom today. You might know mom really, really well. Can you be sharing your story today that can resonate with other people? Can you be sharing your message? What is it your vision is? What motivates you to be in this business right now? What is it that is empowering you to be doing what is it that you are doing? All these things can connect you with a lot of moms coming to you because you know who you are as a person. Like for me, as another example, this is the second example that I would like to be giving you is, let's say, I am an agent and business owner right now. So a lot of times when I share my story that I'm a business owner, I'll be attracting a lot of business owners. If I share more stories that I am an agent today, I will attract more agents today. It's just like this. This is how we are as a person. People connect with you when they know that you truly know them. And before you know them, you need to know who you are first. Because if you do not know who you are, it's going to be very, very hard. For instance, when you are shooting Facebook ads, it's going to be very, very hard because when you're shooting Facebook ads, in order for you to shoot one that's really good, you need to truly know who you are first as a person. What is your talent? What is it that you can be doing so that your ads will stand out from the others? Again, if you'd like to know more about shooting Facebook ads and everything, then click the link down below to join my free upcoming masterclass where I'm going to be going on a 2 hours free masterclass with you, going step by step on what is it that you can do to form your lead automation system using Facebook so that you can get leads on autopilot mode. If there's something that you want, then click the link down below to join my free upcoming training. So what you need to know right now is know who you are as a person so that you can resonate with them and bring them towards you. As well as on Facebook ads, this is something that you want to be doing because when you are shooting Facebook ads, when you can do something that is really, really resonating with people, they will actually connect with you much better and you won't be forcing yourself to be like someone else. You're actually who you are. And second thing is when you're on Facebook Live, a lot of times when people watch Facebook Lives, you are you as a person, you can edit a Facebook Live. It's not like a YouTube video you can actually cut into pieces, whichever it is that you do not like it, you can cut. But Facebook Live, people want to see who you are as a true person. Are you really funny? Are you someone that's cool, entertaining, who you are? And you will resonate with more of those people coming to you. Ultimately, when you're in this business, you want to be really polarized. That is the word that I want you guys to be. Remember, polarizing. When you polarize, you will get a certain people who really, really love you and a certain people who do not like you. And it's okay to repel those who do not like you because you only want those who actually connect with you and resonate with you to be in your tribe right now. So that's the first thing that you want to do. After you know who you are, the second thing is going to be very easy for you is to know your audience. Knowing your audience is extremely important because there are a lot of agents and business owners in the online world. So essentially what it means by that is you are in a super duper rigged ocean where everyone is fighting for the same amount of audience, same amount of fish in that particular ocean. So over time it becomes really, really bloody. What you want to be doing is to form your own blue ocean. In order to find your blue ocean, you need to know who is it that you want to be specializing to help. That's why knowing who you are is very important. After you know who you are going to find much easier. You're going to be finding it much easier to find your audience, because now you know who is it that you are, you know who is it that you will be attracting to you, and when you find them, they will be like, oh, you are someone that I can understand your story very well, and they will come to you automatically without having you to actually actively seeking for them. They will naturally come to you because they can resonate with you very well. You are like very natural and who you are as a person, and they will just naturally come to you. So knowing your audience is very, very important in today's world, is because, like I was saying, you need to be in a blue ocean rather than a bloody red ocean. When you're in a blue ocean, that's where you specialize, that's where you find something that's called niche. Let's say you are a mom today, maybe you can be helping more moms, and helping more moms, maybe you are a real estate agent today, but you're only focusing in helping moms to find real estate. And this is something that I call specializing, because you truly know who you are and you truly know them as well. When you want to find your audience, you need to know their struggle very well. If you do not know their struggle very well, it's going to be very, very tough for you to actually attract all these people, because they can't understand what you're talking about, you can't understand their pain point very well, then there's a disconnection in between. But if you can form all this very well, you are naturally going to attract all these people much, much, much easier. The third thing you want to be doing is to find and follow your tribe. After you have encountered after these two missions are completed, the third one is to find and follow your tribe. How do you do that? It's very easy on the Facebook world. Since we're online right now, all you need to do is just to go on to search for a specific group. In this scenario, I'll be searching on ClickFunnels. It's the group that I'm in. Once you have joined the group, what you want to be doing next is to scroll the group and to see which type of post has the most engagement. Click on it, you're gonna find all these people who have liked the post. What you want to do is to follow every single one like this, okay? You want to be following. Notice I didn't say send friend request. What you want to be doing is to follow that person. When you follow that person, they're gonna get notification, and what they're gonna do next is they're gonna stalk your profile. A lot of times sending friend requests don't work is because all these people, when you send friend requests to them, they probably will just ignore and will not actually respond to the friend request. So you do not want that to happen. You want to be following them as well as them getting the notification, and then they are going to stalk your profile. It's just as simple as that. And after you have done this thing, the fourth thing that you want to do is to obviously check friend requests. Because you are following a lot of people, I'm not asking you to follow just one person. You're going to follow all these people who have liked that certain post, and after that you're going to get a certain percentage of the person guarantee is going to stalk your profile, and they will follow you as well. They'll probably send you the friend request. When they send you the friend request, this is where you can approve them. So you want to be checking your friend request. So instead of sending friend requests to that person first, you follow them, they get noticed, they notice you, they send you the friend request. This is way much easier because now they are doing the work to send you the friend request. So remember to please check your friend requests very frequently in order to approve them, and then they are now inside your profile. So when they're inside your profile, the fifth thing you want to do is to follow up with them. When you are doing this, it's extremely important that your Facebook profile has your cover page done. Your cover page is nicely done, that is very interesting, that says who you are. Second thing is your picture. Your profile picture is not your dog's picture, your cat's picture, and all this, Lamborghini picture. You do not want anything like this. You want an actual picture of your own. The third thing is your bio. You need to be setting your bio, your intro really well to say in a short book who you are as a person. If you are an agent today, you are saying that you are an agent today. Who do you help right now? I help moms. I'm an agent today and I help moms. You want to be very specific in what you're doing right now. And the fourth thing is your post. A lot of times people's Facebook profile, they are sharing a lot of stuff that are irrelevant into what they are doing right now. Maybe you are an insurance agent, but whatever you're sharing on your profile right now is irrelevant to insurance. You're sharing like cats video, dog videos, entertainment video that are irrelevant to you being an insurance agent. That's something that you do not want to do, because right now you want to be using Facebook to attract prospects to you. So what you need to do is to clear off all these things, okay? You want to be clearing all these things that are irrelevant to your career right now, and put on something. Your post has to be something that is interesting. You need to be asking yourself, is your post interesting? Can my post actually help my target audience? Will my target audience gain benefit from my post? Is my post actually entertaining to those I really want to help? Does my post actually connect with all these people that I want to help? These are something that you want to be answering yourself, rather than you posting random cats and dogs video. So after you have done all this is how you can attract your prospects coming to you naturally. And this is how you do it for Facebook. So another bonus that I want to be giving you is, a lot of times people join Facebook group. This is something that I get very often from my students, is they will ask me, can I use a page to join Facebook group? Well, on a certain Facebook page, you are allowed to do so. For a certain group, they allow Facebook page to join, but for majority of the groups, they will want you to join using your Facebook profile. So you can actually join using a page. So Facebook page and Facebook profile, there's a huge difference. If you want to know the difference between these two, then click the link out above where I talk more about the difference between a Facebook page and a Facebook profile. And remember, you join group using a Facebook profile, not a Facebook page, because majority of the groups do not allow a page. So that's the reason why you need to be furnished very well, and then you follow up with them. I hope that you found tremendous value in this video. I do a lot more video about social media marketing, so be sure to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you, and thanks for watching it all the way. I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.